Hey, it's Brenda Meller. I'm out at Chief Financial Credit Union in Rochester Hills, just doing a quick tour of the room, and I want to show you what the setup will look like for our event. So I am in the far right-hand corner of the room, and the entrance would be on this side. That's actually the lobby for Chief Financial Credit Union. And when you come inside, we've got a beautiful screen against a white wall in the front of the room, movable tables and chairs, and we'll probably have seating with tables in front of them, or maybe just chairs for the event, we'll see. And then I'm gonna pan my camera off to the left side of the room here. You can see there's a lot of room for tables and seating. In the back of the room, back corner, there's a TV screen on that wall. There's also another TV screen on this wall. So if you are a speaker and you'll be broadcasting your presentation on the front of the room, you'll also be able to look at the video in the back of the room, so you don't have to look over your shoulder, which is really nice. Now you can see here that we are on Rochester Road. Not too much sound in the background. There is a sound system if needed to plug into. I don't know if we'll need that, but the presentations, the speakers will be in the front of the room against the white wall here, which is really ideal because we have such bright sunlight around the room, and will make for some really excellent photography against the white wall here. So we also have a podium if needed, or we can move this table out of the way and you can just be roaming around in the front of the room. And I think this will be really ideal. This was shot on my iPhone. I'm gonna point myself towards the front of the room now. You can see how much better the lighting is there. There's just natural lighting that's coming around the room here. And the great part is that it's such a great background here. White background, nice large prominent screen. I love that there's screens in the back of the room, and I think this is gonna be a really fun event. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there. If you have any questions, do let me know. I wanna show one other thing. This is when you stand looking outside, you're gonna see the bright sunlight coming at you. So I think it'll provide for some really nice candid photos in addition to speaking photos as well. And I wanna show you one other quick thing. This building used to be, I guess, a swim school, and they've got a couple little elements like this seal. And it's just such a wonderful space and a wonderful room. So I just wanna say thank you to Ashley at Chief Financial Credit Union for being our host for this upcoming event. We really do appreciate it. Thank you.